Hi, my name's Holly and I am one of the Youth Services Librarians at the Tigard Public Library. I am at home in my kids' treehouse right now, and I have my son Talon with me, is going to help me with a Make and Do program. We are going to show you how to make a catapult. This is Talon, and Talon is going to show you what you need in order to make your own catapult at home, and hopefully you have some of these items at home. And if you don't, after the library reopens and it is safe to share, the library will provide supplies for you to take and make your own catapult at home. Talon, let's show them what they're going to use.
One spoon.
One plastic spoon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 popsicle sticks.
Although, as Talon has pointed out, you can use as many popsicle sticks as you want, and he plans to make one with more. What else do we need, Talon?
2 rubber bands.
Now, Talon is going to show you how to make the catapult. The first step is to take all but one of the popsicle sticks and stack them up. So Talon has already stacked them up. Talon is going to take a rubber band and wrap it around one end of the sticks so that they all stay together.
Got it?
Now, the second step is to take the remaining popsicle stick, put it in towards the end.
Right there. You'd lift that
with
part up.
Just one stick left on the bottom.
And try to get into like the middle.
That's going to be a base for the catapult. Then Talon's going to take the spoon.
Right here.
Set it on top of the row of 7 popsicle sticks. And then use the other rubber band to rubber band it on.
So now this is how you attach the spoon to it. Just try to make it as tight as you can.
He's going to hold the base and he's going to shoot off the cotton ball. Now I challenge you to see if you can change the catapult in certain ways. Maybe you make the spoon in a different position. You use a different spoon, maybe a metal spoon.
Aim this like this.
Yeah, you can. You notice that it is moved, so you can aim it. You can use different things to shoot it off with.
Yeah.
And see how things are different and how things might be the same. And now the steps one last time. Stack all but one of the popsicle sticks together. Rubber band them together on one end. Grab the last popsicle stick and insert it in through the open end of the popsicle sticks with one left on the bottom and the rest on top. Grab your spoon and rubber band it to the top part of the catapult on the other end. And now stay tuned to see what some possible effects of using your catapult could be.
This is what happens with a regular big water balloon. See what happens when a small water balloon gets shot off by the catapult.
Thank you all for joining us with the Tigard Public Library Make and Do program, and I hope that you will join us for all of the other Make and Do programs that we offer.